How to fix Spotify on your mobile. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. And now you will search just for Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And go back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.